Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if this is your first time here. Today's video is a relaxing clean with me, so it's packed with cleaning motivation to help you get your house nice and clean and tidy and also feeling super cozy. So do go ahead and subscribe if you haven't already, and also leave today's video a thumbs up, and let's just jump straight into it. Everyone always keep falling in love again. So my favourite room to clean is the kitchen, and I hate having a messy, dirty kitchen, so that's where I wanted to start with today. So I'm just going to go around putting everything back where it belongs, getting rid of any rubbish and just making it nice and tidy, so I can then go in and do the washing up and just give it a good clean.
An option to be someone else, I would, and let go of you. I know that I'm obvious, forget I'm made this way, but why didn't I stay when I had the chance? Maybe it will pass by, someone save me for a pass out. I'm too lonely to be done in my drink at this pace. Yeah.
So I'm always saying that the kitchen is my favourite room to clean, but I thought I should clarify that I don't wake up in the morning excited to clean the kitchen. It isn't like that at all, but I just think I get more satisfaction from doing the kitchen. I always feel better afterwards, and when it's a clean kitchen I just feel so much better for the day. So it's not like I get really excited to clean my house, but the feeling once it's done makes everything worth it. So that is what I mean by it's my favourite. I just get more satisfaction at the end. I know that I'm just going to feel 10 times better once it's done.
Wish I could say I was finally over you, but that's not the truth. Why am I the only one who's left in the rain with nobody to hold on to? Why am I the only one who's feeling this pain when there should be two of us? And yeah, I know we both wanted different things, but letting go just comes easy.
So once I had all the washing up done, I wanted to go ahead and dry it up straight away so I could get it all put away, just so the kitchen looks less cluttered. I think the kitchen looks finished when it's all put away and it's just neat and tidy. Then I can go in and wipe down the sides, clean the sink, and just make everything nice and fresh.
You, I know it's alright. You read my mind, but I can see that you don't realize, and that's what made me fall in love. 'Cause you got style, the way your body makes my heart beat sound. It's amazing all the time. You are the only thing I need in life. Oh, I want you.
So if you've been here before, you've probably noticed that I've got an empty tiered tray in the corner of my kitchen, and it's just got a candle on the top of it at the moment. I love decorating it for Christmas, and I'm gonna really enjoy doing it for spring, but I'm struggling on how to decorate it for the rest of the year, just for everyday decor, which is why it's empty at the moment. So if you have a tiered tray in your kitchen or anywhere in your house, please do let me know how you decorate it, because I am really struggling for ideas. So let me know down in the comments how you decorate yours for just every day throughout the year decor.
But I can see that you don't realize, and that's what made me fall in love. 'Cause you got style, the way your body makes my heart beat sound. It's amazing all the time. You are the only thing I need in life. Oh, I want you. Can't you see? I want you. I believe, 'cause I want you here with me. I'm gonna crazy. I'm gonna crazy.
Never thought it would be so hard. I grew up without a scar, just living my life with no big worries.
So before wiping down all the cupboards and everything, I just wanted to get a wash load in. I've only got the one to do, so I thought I should crack on with that today, get it in the wash so I can hang it up and it'll be ready for me to iron and put away the next day.
The days I used to dream about one day, a life so amazing, not everyone judging me. Don't wanna care about them, though it hurts so bad. I wanna stay wide open, 'cause if I shut down, it just gives them right. I wanna stay wide open. Ooh, 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 ooh. Ooh, 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 ooh. I wanna stay wide open. Can't stand to hear more today. I'm gonna lock my door and stay inside or wait until I'm safe again. I have nothing more to put on. I'm defeated and withdrawn, just trying to understand where it went wrong. Always believe that nothing good in life is free, but it's overwhelming how people can hate on me. Don't wanna care about them, though it hurts so bad. I wanna stay wide open.
So once I had the kitchen done, you know the drill, it's time to head into the front room and neaten this up, because this just looks like a whirlwind every single morning. It's always a complete mess, so I'm just going to go in, put everything back where it belongs, sorting out the cushions, blankets, getting rid of any rubbish and just giving it a good tidy.
Ooh, 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 ooh. I wanna stay wide open, and no one can break me.
So I don't know why, but I had a bit of a mental block this morning and I didn't really know where to start, and considering I have to do this every day, I thought I would just be a pro at going in and giving it a good clean and tidy. But honestly, I was just looking at everything and I didn't know where to begin, and I think you could tell from me going back and forward. But I finally got it done and it looks so much better. I don't really know what was going through my mind. I just didn't know whether to start on the cushions, cleaning the table, getting rid of rubbish. It was a little bit overwhelming today, but I got there, I neatened everything up and it looks 10 times better.
'Cause if I shut down, it just gives them right. I wanna stay wide open.
So you think you were right? Bring it on, prove me wrong. Go put up a fight. The way I do will knock you down.
So you know that I love to have a good hoover, so that is definitely next on my list. I just want to quickly hoover over the hallway, go through into the kitchen and front room and just make it nice and cozy. I really think it transforms a room once you've had a good hoover, and for me it just sets me up for the day. It makes the whole room feel bigger, airier and just cozier. So I'm just going to go around and give everything a good hoover over and freshen everything up.
I'm wearing you out. Keep on keeping on every night. Way up in the clouds. Where do not.
So once I had that done, I wanted to make the room feel a little bit extra cozy. So I added the fire to the TV, added some essential oils, and I'm also going to go ahead and spray some of my Lenore freshener over the sofa and curtains and just make everything smell super fresh. Now my washing's all done, I can go ahead and get that hung up. I love how it makes the upstairs smell. It's so beautiful and fresh, and it just makes the whole landing smell super clean. So I'm just going to go ahead, hang this up so it's ready for me to put away tomorrow.
You want me to take you in my trust. You got to give it up. You know that ain't the way. It ain't the way. Oh, no. There's nothing new in this game. You got to get it. You got to give it up. Give it up. But you got to give it up. Give it up. You got to give it up. Give it up. No. Give it up. Give it up. You got to give it up. Give it up. Give it up. Give it up.
So I'm not sure why I didn't make my bed first thing this morning, but sometimes life just happens and it doesn't always get made as soon as I get out of it. So I'm just going to go ahead and make my bed now, neaten up the bedroom and just make it nice and cozy, ready for this evening. I really hope you've enjoyed today's video and you found all the motivation that you came looking for today. If you did, then please do consider subscribing to my channel before you leave, and also leave today's video a thumbs up, and I will see you back here in the next one.